What does it take to become a great sculptor? Practice, yes, but also the right tools and the right guidance. Introducing the ultimate sculpting FlipBox. Your all-in-one collection for mastering digital sculpting, no matter your experience level. From complete beginner courses in ZBrush and Blender, to sculpting realistic human faces, dynamic creatures, and concept art for games and film, is everything you need to push your creativity and bring your ideas to life. You'll also get our most popular kits, the FlippedNormals brush kit and the creature kit, packed with powerful tools to sculpt faster and better. All created by industry veterans, all designed to take you from first strokes to final sculptures. And here's the best part. You get it all for a fraction of the original price, and 10% of all revenue from this FlipBox goes directly to one tree planted, helping reforest the planet one tree at a time. The ultimate sculpting FlipBox. Learn, create, and give back. Available now only on FlippedNormals.com.